channel. So today I'm creating this look. This is my version of the soft glam everyday makeup. We've tried to use really soft shimmer products to give that natural, dewy, radiant looking skin, and we've tried to keep the face really minimal but at the same time get that snatched look. So if you want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. So guys, I've already prepped and primed my face with a moisturizer, and then I've applied a pore primer to take care of the texture on my skin. I'm directly gonna go with my foundation, and the foundation that I'm using today is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. Now, I've not used this foundation. This is the first time I'm using it. Now, we are gonna try to keep it a sheer coverage because we are talking about soft glam. I do not want full coverage, so we're gonna stick to a very medium coverage today, and using my beauty blender I'm going to blend everything in. Foundation looks quite good, and I'm gonna go with my concealer now. And today I'm using the LA Girl concealer, and I'm in the shade Natural Beige. Is it Natural Beige? Medium beige, I'm sorry. And I'm gonna apply this right under my eye. Using my beauty blender, I'm gonna blend this in. Once the concealer has blended in well, we are gonna go and set this. And today I'm using the Fit Me powder by Maybelline, and I'm not gonna bake, guys. I'm gonna slightly use the powder, very little of this, and just set my under eyes so that they do not crease. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild bronzer today, and guys, I don't know the shade of this, but just let's take a moment and appreciate this dragon on my bronzer. This is so detailed. I am loving this. He's spitting fire. I'm gonna use this to chisel my cheekbone and whole face. Now for the blush, I'm gonna go again with the Wet n Wild blush. I'm sorry, I don't know the shade of this, but this is how it looks. And because we are talking about everyday glam, slightly taking a tiny bit of this and applying it on my cheek. I want a sheer shine and a sheer tinge of color on my cheek, not too much. And this has also got some highlight in this, so not that I'm going to use any extra highlight, but we shall see. So far so good. I'm liking the way this is looking, and we are now going to jump on to the eyes. I'm going with my NYX palette. This is the Dusk to Dawn palette, and I love these earthy colors in this. I mean, look at these. These are with shimmer. I'm going to go with this shade over here, this light shade. I'm going to apply this right onto the lid of my eye. Remove the excess and directly apply this on your lid. I'm gonna go with this color over here and apply it right at the center of my lid. Gonna go with my blending brush and just soften the edges. Now I'm gonna take this white shade over here and apply this right under the brows. It instantly gives a lift to your brows. Go with this black shade over here and apply it in my tight line, in my lower tight line. Using a detailed pencil brush, I'm just gonna smoke this in. And for my mascara, I'm going with the Wet n Wild Max Volume Mascara, waterproof mascara. I'm going to use this for my lower lashes as well. So guys, you can wear your lashes if you want. I'm not wearing the lashes today because I like the way my eye is looking right now. But I'm gonna go back with the blush again, the same blush by Wet n Wild, and I'm just gonna add some little more on my cheek because I think this is just getting a little paler. So I'm not going to apply any further highlighter because this blush already has some highlighter in it, and I'm directly going to go with my lipstick. And today what I'm applying is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. The shade that I've applied is the 225. It's called Delicate Lip Color. And I like the texture of this lipstick. It's quite mattifying and it stays for long, and it's not gummy, you know, it doesn't stick to each other when you are, you know, mumming your lips or any of that. I'm just gonna apply a little more. So guys, this was my version of the quick, soft, glam, everyday makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Now we've tried to keep the face very minimal and very fresh looking. Shimmer on the eye is really soft, and so is the highlighter. We've tried to use less highlighter and keep the skin looking naturally glowing, and that's the whole idea of this look. Now you could wear this with straight hair, up knot, or messy hair like the way I'm wearing it right now, and it still looks gorgeous. So you could wear this and go for a coffee, but I'm gonna wear this and sit at home because I really don't care. So if you've liked this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!